Obligations are tasks or actions that need to be completed throughout the life cycle of a contract. Users that are obligation owners can mark them complete. When viewing the obligation screen of a contract, you can use the drop-down at the top to toggle between showing recurring obligations as the series view or as the occurrences, depending on your needs. To mark an obligation complete, click the Actions drop-down menu next to the obligation and then select Mark as Complete. In the pop-up window, choose the completion date, provide notes about the obligation, and upload any files that will demonstrate that the obligation has been completed. This attachments field may be required depending on its configuration. Then click Mark as Complete. The status of the obligation will change to Complete, and the owners and stakeholders listed on the obligation will be notified of its completion. You can click the eye icon to find out more about its completion. If the obligation is an invoice-associated obligation, when you go to mark it as complete, you will be asked if you want to create an invoice now. If you say no, the notes field becomes required, wherein you can explain why you're not creating an invoice. If you select yes, the notes field is not required. In my case, my attachment is required, so I'll select that here. And because I selected to create an invoice now, when I click Mark as Complete, a Create Invoice overlay appears, which allows me to create an invoice immediately, along with any of the line items on the contract. Clicking Create Invoice will direct me to the invoicing solution, where I can complete the process. Users can also manage obligations and mark them complete from the Obligations Across Contracts report. Please see the video titled Using the Obligations Across Contracts report for more information.